Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Chemistry Tricks. Today we are going to discuss about the Dawes process now. Okay, it's very interesting process. Actually it is present into your 12th standard, that is alcohol, phenols and ethers में होता है ये part. So by using that Dawes process we have to prepare phenol from starting component chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene means what? Benzene contains Cl. By using we prepare what here? Phenol now. ठीक है. So what happened actually in this reaction? See, actually this reaction which is done by using very strong temperature as well as very high atmospheric pressure. Okay, let's see reaction. Consider here, this is the benzene which contains Cl now. Now when this benzene containing Cl, it reacts with the aqueous NaOH at very high temperature, that is 623 Kelvin, and which one is that? That is a 300 atmospheric pressure ATM. Okay, so what happened in this one now? See here, attack of this oxygen towards on that. Actually इस पैटर्न में आप रिएक्शन करोगे तो और ज़्यादा आपको बेहतर तरीके से समझ में आएगा पैटर्न. And formation of component, attack of this oxygen towards on this. So formation of benzene contains Na now, while H and Cl both are reacts together, formation of byproduct, that is which one is that? HCl now. Okay, when this component which are sodium carry positive charge, oxygen carry negative charge. Now when this component which are reacts with the HCl, further they are reacts with what here? HCl, that is concentrated here. So what happened? Again attack of this hydrogen towards on the oxygen, because hydrogen carry positive charge, oxygen carry negative charge, while attack of sodium towards on what here? Cl, and the formation of component, which one is that? Oxygen. Benzene contains here oxygen, which contains now here H, by loss of which one component? That is NaCl. So benzene contains OH, it's called as what here? Phenol. While what is the name of this component? Sodium contains oxygen, while both of these two components they attack on which one? Attached on what here? Phenol, that is a phenyl ring. So what is the name of this component? It's called as a sodium phenyl contains oxide, so it's called as what here? Sodium phenoxide. Sodium contains phenyl and oxygen, so that's why it's called as what? Sodium phenoxide. And what is the name of this component? It's called as a chlorobenzene. See, again I will repeat this reaction. Dawes process. What happened in this Dawes process? We have to prepare phenol from what? Chlorobenzene. So when chlorobenzene reacts with the aqueous NaOH at very strong temperature and atmospheric pressure, what happened? Attack of this ONA towards on the benzene ring by removal of HCl, that is HCl now. So formation of benzene contains ONA, that is sodium phenoxide. When these components which are further treated with the HCl, then what happened? That is hydrogen attacks towards on oxygen, formation of here phenol by loss of what here? NaCl. Understand this one process? It's called as a Dawes process. Okay, thank you.